Hello. This is an example of a 600 CFM Holley. It's a 1850-3 carburetor. 4 barrel. The power valve is important because it's a valve that flows fuel, and if it's bad, your car won't run right. The jets are also important because they also flow fuel. This is a 6.6. This came with stock. This carburetor came with a 134.9 plate, which is this thing. This is a 34R97166 plate. So, yeah, metering block's important too, which I forgot to check. Anyway, the things you gotta replace if you build a carburetor are the vacuum diaphragm that opens the back 2 barrels. It's vacuum secondaries carburetor. You check your jets, power valve, metering plate in this particular case. Clean it. You have your float that controls the needle valve seat for your fuel coming in, fuel levels in the bowl, adjusted by this little float dilly. Anyway, I have to clean this and get the correct components, put it back together, and attempt to get good mileage out of a 302 with a GT Mustang camshaft roller. Okay.